In today's video, we're going to explore 3 of the best smart TV remote control apps for Android. If you're tired of juggling multiple remotes or just want a more convenient way to control your TV, stay tuned as we delve into these fantastic apps that can simplify your viewing experience. Smart TV Remote App. The Smart TV Remote app is a versatile application that transforms your Android device into a powerful remote control for various smart TVs. With a user-friendly interface, this app allows you to navigate through channels, adjust volume, and control playback with ease. It connects to most popular TV brands, enabling users to access features like streaming services and multimedia files directly from their devices. Additionally, the app often features a keyboard for easier text input and browsing, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to simplify their TV viewing experience. Smart Remote for LG ThinQ TV. Smart Remote for LG ThinQ TV is specifically designed for LG smart TVs, offering tailored controls to maximize user experience. This app provides seamless connectivity to LG TVs via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, allowing users to control their TVs from their Android devices. With features like voice commands, quick access to apps, and a comprehensive on-screen keyboard, this app enhances your ability to navigate content effortlessly. Users can also customize their remote layout and access additional settings specific to LG's ThinQ ecosystem, making it perfect for LG TV owners. Smart Remote Control for TV Android. Smart Remote Control for TV Android is another excellent choice, designed to work with a variety of TV brands. This app provides a straightforward way to control your television using your smartphone, featuring essential functions like channel surfing, volume control, and media playback. Users can connect via Wi-Fi, making it convenient for those who have multiple devices connected to their smart TV. The app often includes additional features, such as screen mirroring and access to smart home devices, making it a comprehensive solution for managing your entertainment system from one interface. Thank you for watching our video. We hope these smart TV remote control apps help you enjoy a smoother and more user-friendly TV experience. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tech content. See you next time.